Hello, today is the 27th of June. I am doing a repair at 144 Trevor Ridge for Brandon Coon. Claim number 3369G044G. This is the shingle I'm going to be replacing today. You can see it's damage all over the roof. Shingles are in very poor condition. You can see all up the valleys, poor condition. Shingle we're going to be replacing. Shingles above it are not damaged, but are in poor condition. So let's go ahead and attempt this repair. I am going to use a flat bar to take the roof out, to take the nails out, because it's a lot thinner than the roof snake. And I am going to use the roof snake to put the nails in to prevent from having to lift the shingles too high. Let's go ahead and start with the lower 4 nails. Right away, that nail is completely ripping through the shingle. Same thing here. The nail head is buried in the shingle and rips it as it comes out. This should be the last one on the bottom. And again, it is ripping through the shingle as it comes out. All right, let's go ahead and get the higher 4 nails. And that one is ripped through the shingle as well. You can see here that nail head ripping right through. That hole is going to be way too big to put those nails back in properly. All right, that should be the 8 nails. Slide the old shingle out. Yep, and grab our new shingle. All right, shingle is in. Let's go ahead and use the roof snake to nail it back down. All right, the top 4 nails are a little easier because the nail holes are already there. But that nail hole is way too big. So that nail just went directly in. It's not gonna properly hold that shingle down. Once again, that nail hole was way too large for that nail, but that is the last of them. As you can see, attempting to repair, one shingle has damaged. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shingles, 4 separate shingles. This roof has failed a repair test. It is not repairable. Attempting to repair any more shingles will just create a domino effect of damage. We will be sending in an estimate for full replacement. Thank you.